Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your credit report using Credit Karma, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Credit Karma in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the option to log in. Input your email address and password associated with your Credit Karma account. If you do not have an account, select the option to sign up. Follow the prompts to create a new account by providing your personal information. After successfully logging in, navigate to the dashboard. You should see your credit scores displayed prominently on the screen. Look for the section labeled Credit Reports. Click on that section to access your credit report details. Credit Karma will provide you with your Equifax and TransUnion credit reports. Review each section of the report carefully. Check for any discrepancies or unfamiliar accounts. Pay attention to your payment history, credit inquiries, and account balances. If you find any errors, take notes and prepare to dispute them. For disputes, locate the option to report discrepancies on Credit Karma. Follow the instructions provided to submit your dispute. Keep track of your disputes and any correspondence. Make sure to regularly check your credit report for updates. You can utilize Credit Karma's tools to monitor changes over time. Consider setting up alerts for significant changes to your credit report. Finally, use the resources available on Credit Karma to improve your credit score. This includes personalized tips and recommendations based on your credit profile. By following these steps, you will have successfully verified your credit report using Credit Karma. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.